Hey guys, so me and Mum Super are back in the apartment. Food's done. Mum's made a potato and pea curry, plus the food from last night, the cluster beans curry. We're going to mix the two together. Yeah, have a look at this, what Mum has made. Peas and potato curry. Guys, have you ever seen potatoes look so incredible? Just look at that. I'm going to be careful when I spoon this and put it in my plate because I don't want to ruin the design of it. Just look at that, guys. That's potato and peas made into something like this. Is that the purple, red onion, red potatoes?
Yeah.
Red potatoes, guys. A lot more better. Just look at that. And that's like a medium to a madras almost. I mean, just enough said. I forgot the most important thing of the video. The chef.
Yes, chef is making more food.
She's still going.
More food. More food. Everybody can come. I don't mind.
I don't need to say anything. I don't. If I don't say anything on camera and you just listen to her, you seem to like it more. So I'm just not going to say anything and say, look at her and look at that. And she's still going. Who taught you how to cook?
My mom. My mom was same like me. She loved cooking. She was very good at cooking. Her food was delicious all the time. So I am a second mom.
And your mum would never let anybody leave the house unless they've eaten. Yeah. Anybody.
Yeah.
Even if somebody came and knocked on the door and said, I'm just going to drop something off or something, they would never let anyone leave the house without eating. We live the same. If people come into our hearts, we look after them, we love them. If they're not fed, they're loved. Either way, that's what it's all about.